The page with the iPhone SE2 appeared on the Apple website. The smartphone surprised me with its design. A trusted network insider has published renders of the new smartphone iPhone SE2. This image appeared on the official Apple website. The inscription says that this is a test page, most likely. It should not have been on the internet before the announcement. However, an error occurred, and users were able to evaluate the design of the new Apple phone. According to rumors, the iPhone SE2 will be very similar to the iPhone 8, but in the picture the new product looks very original. The phone made an impression on the public thanks to the updated design of the camera, which is located in an oval block. And the side frame of the smartphone resembles the design of the iPhone 4 and iPhone 5. The presentation of the iPhone SE2 should be held on March 31st. Earlier, Live24 reported that the iPhone 12 will be very similar to the iPhone 4.